Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Reggae artist Koffee is featured in the November 2019 issue of Essence magazine under the title Meet Koffee, Reggae's Next Big Thing. The article describes the Spanish town native as leading the pack of a new wave of new talent, bringing a jolt of energy in the reggae culture. It follows Koffee's rise to stardom, including her 2017 song Legend, a tribute to Usain Bolt, her endorsements by Coca Tea, Chronics and Protégé, and the explosion of Toast, which made former first couple Barack and Michelle Obama's summer playlist. Essence also noted that the industry's acceptance of Koffee has been gratifying in part because of how infrequently women have been championed inside and outside of the business. Koffee recently performed in the UK at the Arena Birmingham alongside reggae artist Chronics and his Zinc Fence Redemption Band. The show, promoted by Love One Love All Promotions, saw Koffee delivering a slew of her hit tracks like Toast, Rapture Throne, and my favorite, Burning. Now, as the anticipation for the Grammy Award approaches, it has been revealed that more than 120 entries have been submitted for the 2020 Reggae Grammy Award. Among the entries are the Damian Marley-produced Third Word album, More Work to Be Done, and Rapture EP by 19-year-old reggae sensation Koffee. Manchester reggae band Steel Pulse's first album in 15 years, Mass Manipulation, is also on the list. Only 5 will eventually be selected, from which a winner will be determined. The Academy will announce all 84 nominations for the awards, which will cover recordings released from the beginning of October last year to the end of August this year. The 62nd Annual Grammy Awards will take place on January 26 and 2020 at the Staples Center in Los Angeles. Now onto the international scene, where Sunday night saw some of the biggest names in Hollywood flocking the 45th People's Choice Awards. The event saw big wins, which included Keeping Up with the Kardashians taking home the award for Reality Star of 2019. The Avengers Endgame won for Best 2019 Movie. Canadian singer Shawn Mendes won for Male Artist of 2019, while American singer Billie Eilish won for Female Artist of 2019. The night also saw Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello's hit track Senorita winning the award for Song of 2019. Another highlight of the night was comedian Kevin Hart, making his first appearance since his devastating accident. Kevin Hart won the award for Comedian and Actor for 2019. The 45th People's Choice Awards was held at the Baker Hangar in Santa Monica, California.
Producer and writer Andy Cohen has joined forces with hitmaker Mariah Carey for her memoir. Cohen's self-named imprint will be launched in 2020. The hitmaker's memoir will be about her journey to superstardom. In a post shared on social media, he notes that he is honored to be partnering with Mariah Carey for the much-anticipated yet untitled memoir. Cohen is the TV producer behind the Real Housewives Bravo franchise and host of What Would Happens Live with Andy Cohen. Henry Holt and Company is the publisher of Cohen's 3 bestsellers, Most Talkative, The Andy Cohen Diaries, and Superficial. The imprint was announced in 2016.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.